Hello students, how are you? All of you will be fine. Today I am going to explain fourth chapter Birbal, a clever minister. Students, all of you have listened the stories of Akbar and Birbal. Birbal, as all of you know, an intelligent, clever, witty minister of Akbar's court. He was appreciated by Akbar so many times. This appreciation is unacceptable by some courtiers. So they made a plan to get rid of Birbal. In this chapter, we will read an incident how Birbal tackled this problem. Let us read. Akbar was a great emperor. There were many ministers in his court. Birbal also was one of them. Akbar loved him the most. He trusted him as he was intelligent, witty, and clever. So some of his ministers were jealous of Birbal. They wanted to get rid of Birbal. They thought of a plan. They told the royal barber to speak the emperor on this matter. They offered him a handsome reward to do so. The next day, the royal barber went to attend on Akbar. Here, he purposely spoke of Akbar's ancestors who had died years ago. Pardon me, Your Majesty, for being curious, he said to Akbar. It is over 20 years since your great grandfather and grandfather left this earth for their heavenly abode. We have not heard about their welfare since then. Would not Your Majesty like to know how they are spending their time there? How could you be so foolish? Said Akbar innocently. Don't you know that people who go to heaven never return to earth? My lord, said the barber, that is what most of us believe, but there is one man in your court who can do the impossible. That Superman is Birbal. He will easily manage to make journey to heaven and return with the news of your beloved forefathers. Akbar came to know that this was a conspiracy set by Birbal's enemies. Conspiracy means षड्यंत्र, है ना? But he believed that Birbal was witty to get out of this conspiracy. Akbar called Birbal and told him about Babur's suggestion. Birbal was ordered to prepare for his journey to heaven. Birbal was taken aback by the emperor's order for doing this. He would have to die first. Well, he agreed to go to because he did not refuse to face any challenges in his life. Akbar was shocked to hear this. How could it was possible once a man die, he or she may be not come back to life? Akbar knew that it was a plan made by troublemakers against Birbal. बीरबल ने भी जो है कभी भी चैलेंजेस को रिफ्यूज़ करना नहीं सीखा था. उन्होंने अकबर के द्वारा दिए हुए इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट किया. My lord, I need at least a month's time to make preparations for this journey. I want to spend some time with my family before I leave. My family may need some money in my absence. I am sure you will look after their needs. It is a long journey to heaven. I may not return early, he said to Akbar. Akbar promised to help his family in his absence. In this paragraph, बीरबल ने कुछ प्रिपरेशन करनी थी जाने के लिए. कहाँ? हेवन में जाने के लिए. तो वो बोलते हैं कि मुझे 1 महीने का टाइम चाहिए होगा, मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुछ तैयारियां करना चाहता हूँ. तो अकबर ने भी उनसे उनकी फैमिली की हेल्प करने का प्रॉमिस किया. For 1 full month, Birbal was not seen at Akbar's court. The emperor missed this wise and witty courtier. But Birbal was busy elsewhere. He dug a tunnel from his house to the place where the pyre would be lit to dispatch him to heaven. Here the word is pyre. It means चिता, जहाँ की डेड पर्सन को जलाया जाता है. ठीक है, लास्ट रिटीज जो होती हैं फिनरल की, उसमें ये पायर उससे रिलेटेड है ये वर्ड. ठीक है. एट द बर्निंग प्लेस ही बिल्ट अ स्मॉल इनक्लोजर. इनटू दिस ही पाइल्ड अप hay and firewood. On the last day of the month he went to Akbar and said, "Your Majesty, I am now ready for my journey." On the day fixed for his death, thousands of people gathered to see Birbal being consumed by leaping flames. यह leaping flames का मतलब ऊंची उठती हुई आग की लपटें. ठीक. Even the emperor and his courtier were there. Birbal Even the emperor and his courtiers were there. Birbal sat calmly on the pile of wood. Huge stakes of hay were thrown on him. Then the hay was set on fire. The jealous ministers were very happy to get rid of Birbal. They congratulated one another on the success of their plan. Birbal waited for the smoke to rise. As soon as the fire began to spread, he slipped down unseen through a hole in the pile. Soon he reached home safely through the secret tunnel. He saved himself. As you know, Birbal was not seen at Akbar's court for a month because he was making some arrangements for the day. So on this day, when he was ready to go to heaven, his plan was that through a tunnel he went to his house safety, and nobody can guess about his plan. Okay. Now, for the next 2 months, Birbal visited many cities of North India in disguise. Disguise, it means भेष बदलना. ठीक है, मतलब अपने आप को, अपनी पहचान को छुपा कर घूमना. But when he got tired of wandering around, he decided to return home. So one morning he set off to visit Akbar at the emperor's court. The emperor was so delighted to see Birbal that he rushed to embrace his long-awaited friend. Akbar trusted him that he would have thought to save his life. "I know you would do it," said Akbar in great joy. यहाँ पर यह है कि अकबर भी बीरबल की इंटेलिजेंस को जानता था कि वो ऐसे कोई भी एक्टिविटी होने नहीं देंगे और अपने आप को बिल्कुल सेफ रखेंगे. तो जैसे ही अकबर ने बीरबल को कोर्ट में देखा तो वो कहते हैं कि आई नो यू वुड डू इट, मतलब तुम ऐसा ही करोगे, मैं ये जानता था. हाउ आर माई फादर एंड ग्रैंडफादर, आर दे वेल एंड हैप्पी, ही आस्क्ड anxiously. What did they say to you? Yes, my lord, your father has only one problem. He has made a request to you, said Birbal with sad mood. What is it? Asked Akbar curiously. Your Majesty, said Birbal coolly, there are no barbers in heaven. Your father and grandfather have grown long beards that almost touch the ground. When I asked them whether they needed anything from the earth, they said they needed the services of a barber urgently. Your father wants you to send your barber to them as early as possible. He is in a great problem due to long beard. Akbar sent for the barber. My father has asked for a barber, Akbar said, and I order you to go to heaven at once. The barber begged the emperor to spare his life. He confessed that Birbal's enemy had used him as a tool to get rid of Birbal. He also admitted that he had received bribe from them. Bribe means मतलब किसी भी काम को करने के एवज में पैसा लेना, यानी काम करने के लिए पैसा लेना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्राइब. इट वॉज नॉट हिज ओन इंटेंशन. Akbar was furious and decided to punish the mischief mongers at his court. Here mischief mongers means जो जिन लोगों ने बीरबल के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट की थी वो लोग, मिस्चिफ मॉन्गर्स. इसको वैसे एक्चुअली ये होता है शैतान, शैतानों की टोली, है ना. एट हिज कोर्ट he not only sentenced the barber to life imprisonment but also put Birbal's enemy at the royal court into jail. That was the last time Birbal had any trouble from his enemies at the court. The greedy ministers were punished of their jealousy. So this is your chapter. I hope all of you understand this very well, because the language of this chapter is very good and very easy. देर इज़ नथिंग टू एक्सप्लेन. आई थिंक बहुत ही ईजी स्टोरी और बहुत ही अच्छी है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू विल एन्जॉय इट. एंड yes, now these are the word meanings of the chapter. Another exercise, take the correct option. Birbal was a minister. There are 3 option. Okay, 3 में से एक ऑप्शन को हमें राइट ऑप्शन जो है उसे सेलेक्ट करना है, दैट इज़ मिनिस्टर. Next is Akbar's minister were jealous of Birbal. Akbar told Birbal about the suggestions of the barber. Birbal dug a tunnel. The barber was sentenced to life imprisonment. Fill in the blanks. Akbar was a great emperor. Akbar loved Birbal. People who go to heaven never return to earth. Birbal was minister at Akbar's court. Birbal visited many cities of North India in disguise. There are no barbers in heaven. The barber begged the emperor to spare his life. The greedy ministers were punished of their jealousy. And now see the right T for true and F for false statement. Birbal was a great emperor. It is false. Some of the ministers were jealous of Akbar. False. But Akbar came to know that this was a conspiracy set by Birbal's enemies. True. For the next 3 months, Birbal visited many cities of North India. It is true. Akbar was furious and decided to punish the mischief mongers. True. Okay, D, answer the following question. So as usual, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, हार्ड वर्ड्स, वर्ड मीनिंग एंड मेक सेंटेंस, ये सब आपको पीडीएफ में सेंड करूँगी मैं व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू. आप कि डी, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. सो आंसर क्वेश्चन आंसर, हार्ड वर्ड्स, वर्ड मीनिंग एंड मेक सेंटेंसेस. आई विल सेंड ऑल दिस मटेरियल to you in a PDF through WhatsApp. You have to learn all these words. Now next, vocabulary. Complete the word puzzle of sound word with the help of clues. ये आपको do yourself अपने आप करेंगे. इसको आप, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क है, इसको आप अपने आप करेंगे. ठीक है. And then replace the word in red word with given in the box. Rewrite the sentences. ये जो red words हैं, ठीक है, इनका एक्चुअल वर्ड इसमें दिया हुआ है, ये मीनिंग है एक तरीके से. ठीक है. इसका वर्ड आपको फाइंड करके लिखना है. जैसे पास्ट अवे का डाइड है तो यहाँ पे डाइड वर्ड आएगा. इसी तरीके से आप ये करेंगे. ठीक है. लीव दिस ग्रामर कॉर्नर. यस. ओके. सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. Yes, thank you students.